Come on now. Look. Look at this jack.
I'm gonna fly before I take off.
Okay, so these are my settings. Where's your throttle cut? Here? Yeah. There's really doesn't make a difference which way I go. I'm just going to go right to left. Nate, I'm taking off.
I'm going to land left there.
Oh, wait. Keon, you too.
Keon! Meandre!
Oh, this is easy. I didn't even use flaps. A little bit. Yeah, it is a little bit. Why are you using such a big battery?
That's the only battery I have. I'm hearing you clicking it, and I just wonder what's happening.
Oh, I'm just fixing. It was a little nose heavy, but I've got it trimmed now.
Really?
Yeah. Because I'm making it go up. I feel very afraid.
Why?
That's unsafe.
Oh, really? Unsafe? Okay, Mr. Honey.
Nice. Fast flying?
Yeah, I think you're good now. I was just making sure everything was.
Is it responsive?
Unsafe.
How is it responsive?
Very, but it's let's see. So, ah.
No, I mean like in.
Okay, this is the mid rate.
No, in low rate.
This is the low rate.
Yeah.
Now this is Nate's rates.
No, wait, that's Nate's, right?
Yeah, middle is nobody's.
Oh, I thought you were gonna program it. I thought you were gonna wait.
Okay, so look at my hand. Up here, that's my settings. Okay.
So full up is yours.
Yes, that is no one's in the middle. Okay, that's just a low rate, and then Nate's is on the bottom. Okay.
So I'm gonna be flying with it all the way up.
Yeah, that's what I flew with all the way up. That's the same as my radio. It's not super responsive. It's good. Want to try it? Let me turn it around this way, and then you can take it. It's on half throttle. Ready? There you go. You see it? Okay. That should be exactly the way it was when I flew it, when you fly mine. How does it feel?
A little responsive.
Okay, so I'll flick the switch. In the middle is the low rate, okay? That's low rate right now. Tell me what you think. Is that okay?
Yeah, I like low rate.
Like low? Okay.
Can you make low rates on top, please?
Whoa, hey, I'm afraid again!
Can you make low rates on top?
Yeah, but we'll have to do that later. You just remember low rates are in the middle right now. We'll do that the next time.
I'm not gonna flip.
Okay, just leave it. And there's no wind right now hardly, so you'll have no issue landing. So that's good. And don't worry about the timer. I've flown for almost 10 minutes with the 4000, so.
I can't see it right here.
You can't? Don't worry. You don't need to worry about landing. It's fine.
I'll put here.
You're gonna land? You're gonna have like 70% battery left. I see.
You had like 100% throw on it.
Jack's coming in right now.
Landon!
Come on now.
Jack, don't worry. What?
You might have to go
I
around.
haven't seen him in a long time. Forgot who he is.
Go around, Nate. Not Nate. Jack. That fan's a little buzzy. Is that you? Okay, you can go a lot slower. Well, you can, yeah. Go, yeah, you're at half. Go a little more. Yeah, go all the way down. And let it sink, and then little motor. There you go. There you go. Perfect. Now off. There you go. See, and what do you need me for? You don't need me for anything. That was all you. That was all you. See, you don't need me. You're good. You're good. Yes, I have done worse. I've done very bad.
You've been very bad.
Very bad today.
Very bad.
Oh my God.
Very bad landing. So when the wind dies, I don't have an airplane to fly. That sucks.
You need to commandeer one of your son's planes. Okay, Jack, you're all good.
You can't fly that here.
Could you fix the nose here?
What am I fixing?
Sure.
Okay, I'll fix it next time. Bring it over.
How can I do that?
Oh, there's a little switch in there. A little, you put a hex screw, and it's easy to do. We'll do it next flight.